ఇన్వెస్టోఫియా గ్లోబల్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ పేరుతో విజయవాడలో నిర్వహిస్తున్న సదస్సులో ఏపీ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
If at all you visit, first you come to Andhra Pradesh, then only you can visit other places. Then you will know what is the strength of Andhra Pradesh. He kept his promise. First visit after that, first visit he came to Andhra Pradesh. I really thank him. That is how UAE is maintaining their credibility. I am emphasizing here. From then onwards, it is our responsibility to make it successful. All permissions will be given online. You need not go to any office. I am assuring you, this is my responsibility to handhold and get it done. This is how we are going to use. Already we are using technology in a big way. Even Dubai and also UAE is using technology. Here we are going one step further. India is having advantage of Aadhaar, unique authentication of every citizen. Even Dubai and also UAE is doing. And at the same time, we are making use of all these things. Family as a unit, how to bring geotagging of every house, every family we are going to nurture. There is a data lake. There I can monitor every individual, every family, every program, so that we can empower every citizen. That is how we are working. By using artificial intelligence, your name, health, education, skill, everything we are going to plan. By doing all these things, our plan is 2.4 trillion economy. Per capita income is $43,000 by 2047. It is a India, I know UAE already reached $50,000. We wanted to compete with you. We are having everything. And also you are having all opportunities here. Friends, you are all aware, our goal is wealthy, healthy, happy society. That is our goal. No poverty in Andhra Pradesh, that is our mission. For this we are launching one more program as on today. P3 public-private partnership. Through public-private partnership, we are doing all infrastructure works, even roads, airports, ports, telecommunication, power, everything. Now I am launching one more program, that is P4, Public-Private People Partnership. High net worth individuals top 10% as to adopt bottom 20%. Provide bandwidth, managerial skills, handhold, timely assistance. You have to first 2029. There won't be any poor people according to World Bank standards. 100% above poverty is our aim. After that, how to reduce inequalities between haves and have-nots. That is where Dubai and also UAE government have done extremely well. To do all these things, as on today, 24 public policies we have brought, 15 sectoral specific policies we are able to bring here. Just now, Yusuf Ali has rightly mentioned, I wanted to straighten the record. Lulu is a very demanding product. Everybody wanted to have Lulu shopping in their respective states, not only in India, globally also. I used to meet him in Davos regularly. And also at one stage, Venkaiah Naidu, before he became vice president, he used to come. He had a very good equation with him. One day he met there. I asked him to come to Andhra Pradesh. Then he told me, let us see. because his product is very demandable, and also Lulu, everybody is asking, he is calculatively moving forward. 4 or 5 times I requested him, you come, wherever I meet, I used to chase him. I met so many times in Davos. All times I used to ask him to come to Andhra Pradesh. Finally he asked me, why can't you come to Cochin, you see? If you like, then I will come. All the way to get a shopping mall, I spent 1 day by going to Cochin and see his shopping mall. Then only he agreed to come to Andhra Pradesh. But very unfortunate, 5 years it was delayed, 6 years. Now I am confident he is going to start tomorrow. He is going to start at the earliest. And also he is going to start one more hypermall in Vijayawada. I am asking one more hypermall in Amaravati also, in the coming city also. Ultimately, Andhra Pradesh, I am assuring all friends here, I treat investors are also contributing nation building. If you invest money, then only employment will come. You invest money, then only government will get revenue. Then only I can do welfare programs. Wealth creation, investors' role is very, very important. That's why always I treat investors are partners in progress. For any government for that matter, that is how UAE is doing extremely well. Here we are moving ease of doing business to speed of doing business. Earlier ease of doing business we are number 1 continuously for 5 years. Now we have changed our gear by doing speed of doing business. I am assuring you, everything there is a time. Within that time, it is our responsibility to get it done. Directly, we will monitor from CMO also. We will get it done, everything. We are having all infrastructure. I am assuring you, Andhra Pradesh is the best suitable place for all of you. No other, I can say India is the best. Other states also, we are competing now. I am very happy for that, healthy competition. But Andhra Pradesh is having unique advantages. 1,000 kilometers sea coast on east part of globe from India. And also if you see, we are having every 50 kilometers one port, and also we are going to connect hub and spoke model. And also we are having airports, already 7, 8. Within an hour time, you can reach airport. It is Andhra Pradesh is very strategically located place. If you can see today, north and south has to be connected, they have to pass Andhra Pradesh. Our Vijayawada is a junction for railway. Even for roads also, it is central located in South India also, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Amaravati. So with all these things, we are focusing on road network. Inland waterways, we are very strong. We can connect Andhra Pradesh to land states, what is what I call from Telangana, even Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, all these places are going to connect our ports. There is a huge opportunity, I am assuring you. And also Andhra is very rich in water resources, very rich in agriculture. And also if you see logistics, and also agriculture, agro-processing, and also agriculture, we are very strong in horticulture, aquaculture, and also commercial crops, vegetables and fruits. No other state can give this type of strength for investors. Digital technology, we are very strong. Even human resources, we are number one. I can say very, very highly skilled human resources we can provide. That is our strength. His Excellency has rightly mentioned green energy. Future is for green energy. Now our country is going to produce nearly 500 gigabit green energy by 2030.